Jamal! Jamal! Did you use all the hot water?
I like to thank the Academy. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Quack, 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 quack. It may have been the kids.
You were in here singing. Did you use all the hot water?
But me. Gonna make that pot roast again? No, I'm not gonna be able to make it. You should YouTube it. It's already like 4 million views. All right.
No! Who are you?
I am your fairy gas mother. Natural gas water heaters offer design flexibility and heat water only when you need it. Like when your husband uses all the hot water singing his playlist.
Thanks, Fairy Gas Mother.
The ABCs, Jamal?
I am a man of culture.
By converting to a natural gas tankless water heater, you may be eligible to receive up to $750 in savings.